7:02 p.m. A cluster of severe thunderstorms were located near
Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Person County in central North Carolina, Vance County in central North Carolina, Granville County in central North Carolina, north central Durham County in central North Carolina, northwestern Franklin County in central North Carolina, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a cluster of severe thunderstorms were located from near Virgilina to 7 miles east of Rougemont, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. Heavy rain and frequent lightning. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gilbert and Steel Creek Marina and Campground,